Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing Glisten & Glow's contribution to the October 2021 polish pickup. The theme for this month is monsters and mythical creatures, and Glisten & Glow's contribution is a fun glitter crelly polish called Revive Your Monster. Glisten & Glow is also going to be offering their Cuticle Oil and Cuticle Remover Duo for indie pickup this month, and both of these items will be available at polishpickup.com and only from October 1st at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until October 4th, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Revive Your Monster is described as a fuchsia jelly/crelly polish with various shapes and sizes of black, gunmetal, light gray, and silver hollow glitters. The inspiration behind this polish is a play on the monster theme based on the famous Monster Energy drink series of Rehab Monster Raspberry Tea. I think 2 to 3 coats of this polish is perfect depending on how thick or thin your coats are. I applied 3 thin coats to get the most of the layering of the glitters and the crelly base, and the glitters were well distributed throughout the entire polish. I just gave it a nice shake before applying it, just like any other polish, and the price for Revive Your Monster is $12.50 and there is no cap. Because of the different glitters in this polish, it dried with a little bit of texture, so I applied 1 coat of Glisten & Glow's Glitter Grabber to smooth it out and topped it off with Glisten & Glow's top coat for a super glossy finish. So here are 3 coats of Revive Your Monster with Glisten & Glow's Glitter Grabber and top coat. Also, just to show you a different finish, I applied Glisten & Glow's matte top coat for a matte finish. So here are 3 coats of Revive Your Monster with the matte top coat. And here's a comparison of the glossy and matte swatches of Revive Your Monster. Glisten & Glow is also offering their Cuticle Oil and Cuticle Remover Duo for indie pickup this month. This duo will also only be available during the October polish pickup, and the price is $12 with no cap. These are so handy for on the go, and they both have an easy twist-up pen-style applicator. The cuticle remover is in the scent Fresh Picked Apples, described as fresh, juicy apples picked right from the orchard. I applied this to bare nails around my cuticle area and let it sit for about a minute. Then I used my glass cuticle pusher tool that I bought from Polish Pickup in the past, and I gently pushed back my cuticle and washed my hands with soap and water. This scent reminded me of a camp I went to as a kid that had apple trees everywhere, and we would have apples for breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and as snacks in between meals. The cuticle oil is scented in caramel apple, which is described as tart, crispness of apple layered with the rich creaminess of caramel. This has so many good ingredients like jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, and sunflower oil, and this is perfect to pop in a pencil case or your purse for on-the-go cuticle hydration. I just applied this around my cuticle and under my nail after I applied a base coat and then rubbed it in with my finger. So that's all for today's video. Again, both Revive Your Monster and the Glisten & Glow Cuticle Remover and Cuticle Oil Duo will be available at polishpickup.com and only from October 1st at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until October 4th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price for Revive Your Monster is $12.50 and the price for the Cuticle Remover and Oil Duo is $12, and there is no cap for either. I'll leave a link down below to the Polish Pickup shop as well as my other Glisten & Glow swatch videos. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!